How's everybody doing? This is Thanksgiving 2025, the actual Thanksgiving day. Yesterday I pulled into my driveway and unloaded some stuff out of the cab and left my keys in the ignition, locked my door. Locked myself out of the truck and I couldn't find my spare key. So it's actually at my house, able to get into my house for various reasons, and promptly got on Amazon and ordered a kit that arrived this morning for getting into locked cars. So I haven't opened it up yet, and so I'm going to do an unboxing here, and we'll see if this thing costs, I think, like $36, something like that. I mean, less than $40, more than $30. So and it got here overnight. A locksmith, because I don't have any type of insurance for that or coverage for that, would have cost anywhere from $50 to $125, if I'm not mistaken. Because guess what? The knucklehead that I am, I have locked my keys in my truck at least 3 times. Then again, it's 2008, so in 17 years, 3 times. I average about once per 5 years. So anyways, all right. So it looks like we have the rods. We have some extensions in the box. We have some of the wedges. We have some gloves, I guess, in case you shatter your window. I don't know. We have some tools for connecting the rods. Another wedge. And I think, pardon me for backing up here. Put these down on my hood. I think the star of any, besides the first wedge and also the rods with the connection piece, the star of these sets is the inflatable bags. So when we get to, I'm going to reposition my camera to doing this. A couple of the reviews said the bags weren't very good and didn't work. So I haven't opened them up yet. So we'll see when we get to actually trying to get the keys out or the door opened, whether or not that's true or not. It comes with a little convenient carry case, pretty small. So might be something to stick into the little container thing in the back of the truck. Although the heat would probably make these things not last, I would assume. I don't know. I mean, what good is this kit if you're carrying it in your cab or you're leaving it at your house? You've got to have it someplace to where you have accessibility. Or another novel idea is have a backup key stashed somewhere, which I can't even find my secondary key. So don't be me. And I'm gonna actually put these to use. We'll see if we can get this bad dad opened, and I'll tell you my thoughts and kind of tell you how long it took. Matter of fact, it'll be filmed because this will be the first time I've done this myself. I've seen it done a few times. It looks pretty easy, and you be the judge. Another Toyota Tacoma 2008 video. Please leave me a like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. I've got a few more of these videos that I've done on my truck on repairs that I haven't posted yet. If I get any type of likes or views on this one, I'll post a couple of the other ones that I've done. Have a blessed day, and I'll be back in a second.